Ready to unlock a world of financial learning for your child with Revolut Junior? Let's get that card activated. First, you'll need to have the Revolut app open on your phone. Ensure you're logged into your parent account. Tap on the Junior section. This is where all the magic for your child's account happens. Next, select Junior Cards. You'll see your child's card listed here, likely saying it needs activation. Tap on the card associated with your child. This will take you to the card management screen. Now, you'll see an option to activate card. Go ahead and tap that. You'll be asked to enter the 16-digit card number found on the front of your child's Revolut Junior card. Be sure to enter it accurately. After the card number, you'll need to input the 3-digit CVC code, which is located on the back of the card. Once you've entered both, simply confirm, and just like that, your Revolut Junior card is activated and ready to go. Now your child can start learning to manage their money responsibly, all while you keep a watchful eye. Empower your kids financially with Revolut Junior today.